celebration of its 110th anniversary, Aston Martin presents a true masterpiece, Valour. This ultra-exclusive special edition pays homage to the iconic front-engine sports cars of Aston Martin's heritage, delivering an undiluted and visceral driving experience for purists who crave excitement on the road. Lawrence Stroll, Valour is not just a celebration of Aston Martin's passion and extraordinary heritage. It represents our revitalized brand, blending classic character with contemporary execution. As a modern icon, Valour embodies the excitement and exclusivity that defines Aston Martin. It showcases our world-class design, engineering, and manufacturing capabilities, solidifying our position as the champion of drivers and creator of the world's most thrilling and desirable ultra-luxury high-performance cars. Valour is designed for those who seek an involving driving experience. It stands apart in 2023 as the only front-engine V12 sports car available with a manual transmission. This purist approach pays tribute to a golden era of driving, where every shift and acceleration is an exhilarating connection between man and machine. Inspired by Aston Martin's rich heritage, Valour combines the latest technology, methods, and materials. It reflects the qualities that have defined Aston Martin's greatest front-engine models throughout history. It draws from the brawn of the original V8 Vantage and the Le Mans racer RHAM-1 Muncher from 1980. It echoes the power of the twin-supercharged V600 Vantage and the immaculate design of the 177 supercar. Valour's intense driver-centric character is reminiscent of the one-off Victor, connecting it to the legends of Aston Martin's past. With production limited to just 110 cars globally, Valour's rarity makes it one of the most collectible Aston Martins ever created. Its end-of-an-era specification is a marvel, combining the epic 715 PS, 753 Nm twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V12 engine with a bespoke 6-speed manual transmission for the first time. This guarantees an absorbing driving experience and secures Valour's place among the all-time great drivers' cars. Valour's immense power and torque outputs are unleashed through a unique powertrain calibration. The driver has full performance and utmost control in every gear, aided by a mechanical limited slip differential and electronic traction and stability control systems. Valour's driving modes, Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, have been meticulously tuned for precise throttle response, torque management, and sound character. Valour's dynamic credentials are further enhanced with bespoke suspension, adaptive dampers, and precise wheel alignment geometry. Its distinct and finely tuned ride and handling qualities strike a balance between precise body control and resistance to roll. Valour excels on great driving roads, delivering a sporting experience that thrills at every turn. Valour features standard-fit carbon ceramic brakes, providing ample stopping power. The front discs measure 410 mm by 38 mm and are gripped by 6 piston calipers, while the rear discs measure 360 mm by 32 mm and use 4 piston calipers. With a significant reduction in unsprung mass, these brakes offer increased performance and fade resistance, instilling confidence and control in the driver. Valour's striking design reflects its immense performance capabilities. Made entirely from carbon fiber, its bodywork combines Aston Martin's contemporary design language with cues from the iconic 1970s V8 Vantage. The result is a bold and unmistakable silhouette that commands attention from every angle. Step inside Valour, and you'll find a timeless two-seater cockpit designed for simplicity and seductive tactility. The manual transmission gear lever takes center stage, emphasizing the physical and emotional engagement that has been lost in modern cars. Valour's interior showcases Aston Martin's masterful use of materials, combining traditional wool and tweed with high-tech carbon fiber for a unique and personalized experience. Aston Martin understands the importance of personalization. Valour offers a flexible method of livery customization, allowing customers to choose from a wide array of hand-painted stripes and graphics designs. For those seeking a truly bespoke specification, Q by Aston Martin provides endless possibilities, from custom liveries to unique carbon fiber bodywork and personalized interior details. Production of Valour will begin in the third quarter of 2023, with deliveries starting in the fourth quarter. This precious collector's piece demands to be driven and will become one of the most coveted cars in Aston Martin's unrivaled canon of iconic front-engine sports cars. Aston Martin Valour, the epitome of driving excitement, a celebration of 110 years of automotive excellence. Experience the power, precision, and unparalleled thrill of Valour, the true embodiment of Aston Martin's enduring legacy.